नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the visitors, viewers, SJP, Yajamans, Kartas, Shrimahans, Mahans, Tanidar Kotari, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda E-Gurukul students, Nityananda Hindu University students, everyone watching live on Nityananda TV, YouTube live, Facebook live, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now, Enlighten app, Twitter and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today is the 8th day of the Paramashivaratri Brahmotsavam. Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti are gracing in Sarvalankara, Amlana Mala gracing in Swarna Rishabha Vahana in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetam. We now offer our worship at their feet. Let's start.
अथ धूपः ॐ धूरसि धूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूर्वतयोऽस्मान् धूर्वतितं धूर्वजं वजं धूर्वामस्त्वं देवानामसि सस्तितमं पप्लितमं दुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतममरुतमसि हविर्दानं त्रिगुंहस्वमाह्वा मित्रस्य त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मा संविक्था मात्वा हिगुंसिषुम्। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। ॐ उद्दीप स्वजात वेदोपग्निर्निरृतं मम पशुगश्च मह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानो हिगुंसि जात वेदो गामश्वं पुरुषं जगत् अभिभ्रदग्नागहि श्रियामा परिपादय। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। दीपं दर्शयामि। अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भाति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति। तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाग्विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्न शिव प्रचोदयात्। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि। रक्षां धारयामि।
Paramashiva's message from Sri Kailasa today. Listen intensely. Pure consciousness residing in his formless state is Paramashiva. If it manifests in your body with absolute freedom, no suffocation, suffering, pain, conflict, powerlessness, nothing. Absolute powerfulness as it is. If it is radiating in your body, that is called Jivan Mukti, living enlightenment. Any suffering, conflict, suffocation you feel is bondage. Knowing there is a bondage and you are not able to relieve yourself from that bondage, you go through that same rut again and again. That is called addiction. The good news is, a being who manifests as pure Paramashiva, an incarnation, can de-addict you just like that. Understand? Last 20 years, I am working on millions of individuals, relieving them from tons of sufferings. I have seen every time when ASP happens, when I do the ASP, it's almost like a burning. The sufferings of 10,000 people. See, maybe only 100 people will be sitting in the hall attending the ASP program. But each one of them are connected to 100 people in their life. So when one person's suffering is burned, I tell you, one person's suffering is burned, he literally brings joy in 100 people who are directly involved in his life. The 100% suffering gets sucked, and root of those 100% suffering will get burned. If you are married, you will understand what I am saying completely. When your husband's suffering is burnt, how your suffering is burnt. When your wife's suffering is burnt, how your suffering is burnt, you know. 100 people. At least each one of us are involved with 100 people's life. Your family and your team, people who are involved with you in your business, everything. Listen. Burning people's suffering and relieving people from pains and sufferings and addictions, suffocations, by the grace of Paramashiva, last 20 years, I can say with all my fulfillment, Paramashiva has blessed me to relieve people from tons of pains and sufferings. Every time when I sit for initiation, especially these longer programs like a 21-day program and all, not only your suffering is healed and you are relieved, you become a joy source when you go back, and thousands get shocked. Not only you relieve their sufferings and you become source of joy for them. It's like a little Deepam of Arunachala is coming inside your heart along with you, and you lit the light wherever you go, in the face of people you meet. I tell you. I'm just mapping the whole thing and verbalizing it. Listen. See, when the pure consciousness is radiating, the Sahasrara Chakra, the most powerful intra-organ of your system. Understand? Just like you have internal organs. People have kidney, intestine, heart, lungs. Some have brain. And how you have internal organs? You have something called intra-organs, which is made of pure consciousness, but which is responsible for the functioning of physical internal organ. There is an intra-organ here called Anahata Chakra, heart center, which is responsible for the functioning of your heart, lungs. There is an internal organ here in the throat called Vak, Vishuddhi Chakra, which is responsible for functioning of your thyroid, vocal cord, everything. There is an internal organ on the crown. It's called Sahasrara Chakra, which is responsible for the functioning of your brain and all the mechanisms controlled by brain. Understand? That intra-organ, Sahasrara Chakra, that only releases all the chemicals, hormones needed for your healthy, happy, long existence. I tell you, anybody who can inspire, awaken Sahasrara Chakra lives long, healthily. That is the whole essence of Kayakalpa Yoga. Everyone has thousands of questions, especially in the social media, left, right, center. Did he have liposuction surgery? Did he have any surgery that they cut the intestine and make it small? I don't know what the surgery name. Did he have that surgery? Did he have this surgery? Did he have that treatment? Did he have this treatment? How did he become so young? And people are analyzing. I can see that they're saying it is not just weight loss. His face has become young. And how did Swamiji become young? See, if you just have weight loss, that symptoms of the old age will not be taken away from you. Did he have bariatric surgery, making stomach smaller? How did this happen? Hey, whatever you argue, talk, anything you do, you will never find an answer, because answer is Kaya Kalpa Yoga. I just activated my Sahasrara intensely, and that Sahasrara released all the chemicals, hormones, everything needed for a healthy, young, active, blissful, brisk, long life. And I am telling you, the good news is it is possible for you. And I am going to make at least 10,000 Siddhas who will live more than 100 years. Crossing 100, at least 10,000 Siddhas. I already chose the first batch and working with them sincerely. I don't want to announce the names here. Batch of my sweet sons and sweet daughters. First batch I already started working, and it is very successful. Listen. Whenever the Sahasrara is triggered, activated, awakened, becomes alive, the first thing it does is it releases so much of ecstasy and fulfillment. All the suffocating, suffering, addictive patterns get cleared. Understand that in your brain grooves, there will be subtle calcification. The brain grooves being open, alive, active, available for you 24 hours as your living resource is called energy, activism, intelligence, involvement with life, powerfulness. All this is nothing but all the brain grooves of you available to you continuously to live as your resource. If some parts of the brain grooves are black, or calcification happens, it's not actually physical process, it is very subtle Chit Jatagrandhi process. The conscious matter, physical and conscious put together, this blockage happens. For example, if you feel angry, violent, whenever you remember that person, you see that person, so much of suffering and suffocation will be released in your brain. It is like you hate him but drink poison. And you expect him to die. Loser. Loosada. Loser. Panni. You hate him. But with that hatred, you release poison in you. Loser. I tell you. Hatred itself, carrying hatred itself is enough punishment for you. Nothing else is required. All my disciples, please understand, all my disciples who declare your integrity to me, who trusts in me, who believes in me, please listen. From today, decide you will not hate anyone. And I tell you, if somebody has done something wrong to you, with the grace of Paramashiva, with the grace of Mahakala Bhairava, I give you the commitment, they will be punished. Directly Kala Bhairava will take care. You please do not have anger, irritation, suffering, suffocation inside you. I am telling you, carrying anger is the most cheapest, stupid, illogical act you can do. Understand? The fellow who is attacking you, he wants to destroy you. If you are angry with him, you release such abusive chemicals inside your brain. You are destroying yourself and fulfilling what he wants. Loser. Drop anger. Drop anger. Don't destroy yourself because somebody has done something wrong to you. All of you listen. All my disciples, my followers, if you trust I am Paramashiva, if you trust I am Mahakala Bhairava, from today, don't cherish any anger, powerlessness, suffering, suffocation, nothing. I am telling you, Kala Bhairava is alive, living being. He will take care. If somebody has done something wrong to you, he will take care. You listen to what I am saying. Anger, suffering, suffocation damages you so much. So many of the brain grooves in you gets calcified, like a destroyed. It's almost like 80% of your brain is not available for your life anymore. Can you imagine? It's like you have $1 billion in your bank account, but 800 million is not available to you anymore. It's blocked. You can't touch it anymore. What a stupid thing. No, don't destroy your life. Anybody who trusts me should not have anger, violence, feeling cheated. Array, I am telling you, if the whole world is attacking you, abusing you also, you will not lose $1. Those fellows can maximum cheat and steal from you 2 penny from your $1 billion. But if you become angry, $800 million in your $1 billion will be blacked away from you. Understand, I am trying to tell you in the language of money and economy so that you understand what I am saying is very important and you understand the seriousness of what I am saying. Listen. 80% of your resources will be blocked away from you when you are boiling with anger. So, internal healing, joyfulness, not having anger, not feeling violated, not feeling cheated will make whole $1 billion your wealth to be available directly as your current account to you. I want you to know I want you to understand very clearly there are many stupid things you think is right. If you have a right reason, you can have anger. No, fool. Whether right reason or wrong reason, poison is going to only destroy the people who are drinking it. Society will call it as a murder or suicide. See, if you drink on your own, it will be called suicide. If somebody pours it on your mouth or makes you drink, it will be called murder. But effect is same. End of the day, you are not going to be there. So I am telling you, neither you should have justified anger, nor you should teach justified anger is right to your kids. No. Even if you live as a bondu, that is perfectly all right. Bole Baba. Are, I tell you. Even if I remember once all the injustice done to me, I'll be dead 10,000 times. What are you talking? What more injustice can be done to you than done to me? So drop all of it. You thinking that you have been wronged is only going to make your Sahasrara release more poison into your system, and that is only going to block your resources being available to you and make your life more suffering, painful, difficult, abusive. I tell you. I am going to make some statements. Maybe at some point, the scientists who are working in the field of brain study, brain researches and all that, neurology, the impact of consciousness over the mind and impact of mind over the matter and impact of mind over the brain, all that, whoever is studying in that field, they will prove what I am saying. Let me reveal these few important truths. Your consciousness not able to function with the logic of reality and forced to function with a social binary mentally retarded logic is called as being civilized by society. That is the worst brainwashing. Your TV is the worst brainwashing machine. News channels, entertainment channels is the worst brainwashing machine. They wash your brain with somebody's shit. Maybe collective shit. They collect from various people and animal and mix it. Use that to wash your brain. All right. Let me come back to the truth as it is. Let me reveal. Listen. Your consciousness having your brain completely for its enjoyment, possession, cognition and manifestation of its existence absolutely freely, healthily, happily is called living enlightenment. Every pattern you develop which brings suffocation, suffering, powerlessness in you is going to be the punishment for you first, before you even think of punishing others. Tyaga is cleaning up all the brain grooves which are destroyed, poisoned, calcified, addicted. I tell you, I have seen multiple living brains, I should say maybe few millions. When I put my hand on people's head to give the initiation, I can just see the whole brain as it is. I wanted to reveal some of these basic things. Sleep is not just one state as you all feel. Just sleep alone, I should say at least 25 variety of sleep. A person who is addicted to alcohol never ever sleeps in his life completely as a real, fulfilling, rejuvenating sleep. Listen. A person who is addicted to alcohol never ever gets into rejuvenating, complete deep sleep in his whole life. The sleep study labs will one day prove what I am saying is true. And a person who is addicted to white sugar, means the regular sugar, which is available in the society as a part of the food. I don't know the exact chemical name for it. You find out. That sugar, regular sugar, what you get from the shop and put it in your tea, coffee and drink that white sugar. Addiction to that sugar. Anybody who is addicted to that sucrose, sugar, can never have a complete visualization of your life's future plans. By the time you have one or two thoughts, how your office should be, how your working place should be, you will be tired and dead. Means that thought current will be broken. You will have something thinking and little tired and something you will think, and then you will force yourself to come back and start, my office, my chair should be here, my secretary should be here, my team should be like this. No, again, by third thought current, you will be off. I tell you. Not having white sugar as part of your diet, conquering the addiction to white sugar within 1 month will make you have your visualizations complete, and you will have so much of patience inside you to follow your visualization. You will not have mental tiredness. You will become rich in your wealth. You will become rich in your relationships. Understand? Able to dream, able to visualize, able to have vision is one of the beautiful, sweet resource given to you by Paramashiva. Sugar addiction, white sugar addiction, sucrose addiction takes away that capacity from you and your brain. People with diabetes cannot think consistently, decently, clearly, logically. people with diabetes should be, actually you should be afraid of them, because when they will go cranky, neither you know nor I know. Nobody knows, even they don't know. All my disciples, please have other sweeteners, but never go for white sugar available in the market society as a regular sugar. Please, please do not touch it. Do not be addicted to it. Any food added with regular white sugar, do not use it, because your visualization ability, see, your visualization ability is the source of your ability to love people, your ability to love places, your ability to love and work consistently. All of that will be seriously damaged with your sugar addiction. You may think, many people who have high diabetes, they are very loving, caring. Their behavior may be very loving and caring. They cannot consciously visualize love and manifest it. Understand, behaviorally loving and caring is different. Consciously able to love, visualize love and share it is different. Even if I show ferocious face, it is because of the deep love I have for that being. My ability to visualize best for that being. I visualize best for that being. That is why I am even ferocious. Behaviorally showing love is the most cunning way. It is the most cunning, manipulative way to relate with people. Inside you don't have good plan or visualization for that being, but behaviorally you show, ooh, chill, chick. That is the most manipulative, cunning, exploitative behavior and lifestyle. In my case, I have a best visualization for every being who is involved with my life, with whose life I am involved. If I tell loving, caring way, hugging, if they listen, I will tell them that way. If I have to tell, hey, ferociously, only then they will listen, I will tell that way. But I have an absolute, deep, beautiful, sweet visualization, plan, agenda for everyone who is involved in my life, with whose life I am involved. My behavior may be based on the society's opinion, the binary logic of the society. You may call it sometime loving and caring, sometime ferocious. But I am absolutely loving because I have an uncompromised, honest, integrated, great vision, visualization for you and your future. A sugar addicted person may have behaviorally demonstrating socially acceptable love, care, will not have any good visualization, right plans for you or your future or anyone involved in his life or their future. Because the ability to visualize is destroyed, is actually handicapped. I should say, like how you say visually handicapped, visualizing handicapped, visualizingly handicapped. I tell you, Paramashiva, whether he shows the face of Dakshinamurti Our Kalabhairava is extremely loving. He has a great vision for you. He has great visualization for you. Worst addiction is sugar addiction. Worst poison gets released in your brain is when you are angry with someone. Actually, soon I will do some tests on my brain and show you. Even when I am screaming, you will see such joy chemicals released in my system. Because I am carrying the visualization that you should be sweet, happy, blissful, enlightened. You should have that kind of life. From that visualization, I am screaming, Lusu, Indri, Panni, Ulunga Yoga Panni. One life I am nasamakra. Yen Pitin Vina Pora. Right on a diet layer. Don't eat sugar. Don't eat chocolate. And do yoga. When I am screaming, top of my voice also, if we check my brain, there must be some equipment to check. You will see it will be releasing such a sweet, beautiful, happy chemicals, hormones in my system. Because the visualization I carry about you is such loving, complete. That triggers my behavior. So there is no poison released in my system. That is why நாளொரு மேனியும் பொழுதொரு வண்ணமும் தினம் சில்லு சில்லுன்னு ஆயிட்டே போறோம் பாரா. Let me translate. Every day more shining, more joyful, more bliss and becoming more younger and younger. I tell you, carry sweet relationship visualization for everyone involved in your life. You will become younger. Do not carry anger, vengeance, violence, exploiting, revengeful tendency. With that anger, vengeance, revengeful plans, even if you smile, it will be like a Shaguni's behavior. Culinari's behavior. You will be destroying yourself. You will have heart problem, all problem. Because of your culinary behavior. Everything எல்லாம் புடிச்சு போயிரும் உள்ள. எதுவுமே வேலை செய்யாது. Understand? Inside you. Learn these two as the essence of today's satsang. Inside you. Have a sweet, powerful, good, positive visualization for everyone, future plan for everyone associated with your life, with whose life you are associated. Even the worst enemies who have done so much droha, abusal to me, all I will have for them is, okay, let them live their life the way they want without attacking me or the Sangha or what I am doing. Let them live their life. I don't have any problem with them. Let them live what they want and let them not disturb me. I will not disturb them. That's all is the maximum visualization I will have. Even the worst end. If somebody is positively associated with me, even they bowed down to me once with love or integrity, I will have all my best thing. Let this fellow get enlightened, let him have wealth, let him have a happy life, let him have everything he wants, blissfully live, let him grow more and more consciously, let him realize he is Paramashiva. I will have all all these visualizations for him and more. Fundamentally, the ability to visualize for yourself and for others positive, happy, right things is called love. Real love is this only, not dependent on your behavior. If you have that real love, even if you are slapping the person whom you really love, there will not be any anger chemical on your system. Neither you will do bad to that person, nor you will do bad to yourself. It is fundamentally the visualization you carry and integrity to that visualization. That's all. I have always seen even the people so-called love, they release so much of poison inside them because their visualization is not planning to give or make good happen in your life. Behaviorally, they will be so sweet. Oh, vango, nannarkala, oh, jil, jal, jak, chik. Behaviorally, they will try to be so sweet. But inside their vision, their visualization, their plan for you is culinary. Naturally, they will release all kinds of poisonous chemicals inside them and destroy all their organ. All their organ will be already put a case. Nothing will be functioning. They are like scorpions. The scorpion, even if it falls on the water, you try to save the scorpion and take it and leave it outside the water in a dry place so that the scorpion will be healthy, alive. It should not die. Even with that right visualization, you save that scorpion. It will try to sting you. It will try to infuse its poison in you, try to kill you. Because they have only that visualization. I tell you. Even people who are doing worst things to you, the maximum visualization you can have is odingi pongappa, odingi polampa. Means let them live their life and you live your life. You don't disturb me, I won't disturb you. Go. That's all. That's all. And I tell you, your ability to create positive visualization about you and about others is seriously destroyed with this sucrose addiction, with this white sugar. The impact of white sugar added food takes away your ability to visualize. Today, do two things. Do tyaga of all anger, violence, and any justification you have for anger and violence. See, in India, there will be railway track. The bolt they use to fit the track on the wooden plank, your justification is the bolt with which you lay the track of anger and bolt it in your brain permanently. That's the worst damage. Do not have anger, do not have justification that anger is right. Remove that bolt called justification. At least one day that anger will melt down, I tell you. Love beyond gender, sexual identity, is such a sweet, most ecstatic experience. It awakens the capacity to have beautiful visualizations and plans for yourself and for others. So today sacrifice all anger and justification for anger towards anyone. People come and ask me, Swamiji, should we not hate people who are attacking the Sangha and you? Even I don't hate them. Fool, why are you hating them and wasting your life? Bond. Maximum you can do is, let them live their life, you live your life. You can maximum tell them, you don't disturb us, we will not disturb you, go. That's all. ஒதுங்கி போங்கப்பா, ஓரமா போய் விளையாடுங்கப்பா. That's all. I tell you. Today take these two as a essence of satsang. Drop all anger and justification for anger, violence, powerlessness. Hey, you guys who are coming to satsang every day are the most intimate people for me and in my life. I have best visualization, good wishes for all of you. You are my most intimate, loved beloveds. It is just to see all your faces, I wake up from bed. No, really. It is just genderless, sex identity less, pure love. With the best visualization for you and my pure sweet love for you and my integrity to my love for you, I am telling you, if you are my intimate person, like all the money you make, you come and give it to me. All the time you are working for me, like this Maitrik Patel. He drives truck only for me. All the money he gives only to me. I have decided I will eat only with Maitrik Patel's money. All the food I eat, all the good karma of giving food to me every day. Of course, I am not eating every day, but whenever I am eating, all that good karma goes to Maitrik Patel. If I sit with Maitrik Patel all alone in my room, if I have to tell him something good as my gratitude, I will tell this only, do not have anger to anyone in the world and do not have any justification for anger. Drop it. Second, don't take any form of sugar. This white sugar in any form. These two only I will tell him. All of you are loved by me. Just listen to these two. I will give you only best in the life. I know life. I know life in 14 lokas. I will give you best in the life. Drop anger. This whole anger is stupid. 100 years in this planet Earth, what are you going to gain? Even if you have all the bullying, stupid, jinjak anger. Nothing. this whole planet Earth is a shit. And for this shit, you want to have anger and destroy your possibility of Kailasa. Anything you gain in this planet Earth is a shit. And add any other bad words if you have. For this shit, why will you get angry and lose Kailasa? Keep your brain out of anger. See, anger is the source of all powerlessness. That stops almost 80% of your resources being available to you. Among the psychological illness, anger. Among the physical poisons, white sugar. This both drop it. I can make you easily enlightened. I can make you easily enlightened. You should not live. If you have diabetes, you should take it seriously and start Nirahara Samyama. You should get out of insulin, any diabetic medication immediately, as early as possible, by taking the natural healing processes like Nirahara Samyama. Diabetes is not physical illness, that is worst mental, psychological, conscious illness, and consciously you become handicapped. Your visualization, your ability to visualize good for you, good for others is destroyed. Do not allow diabetes, do not tolerate diabetes, do not think diabetes is okay. No. No. Your ability to consciously visualize for yourself and for others is seriously damaged. With white sugar addiction and diabetes. That is a funny thing. Both of them look very paradox, but they go and hit the same conscious grooves in your brain. I tell you, to the people to whom I feel grateful, with whom I feel, oh God, He has only so little, but all the things He is giving it to me. I have not done anything to Him, but He is doing so much to me. With whom I feel that kind of a love. If I am alone with them, all alone, what sweet talk I will have with them, what I will try to share to them, that I am telling you now. Do not cherish anger with anyone. Do not have negative visualization for anyone. Live happily, and at the most you can tell, all right, let him live his life, let him not disturb us, and we will not disturb him. ஒதுங்கி போ. And do not add white sugar in any form in your food, in your intake. See, I am a very traditional person. உண்ட வீட்டுக்கு ரெண்டகம் பண்ணப்படாது. Who gave food, உண்டி கொடுத்தோர் உயிர் கொடுத்தோரே. This all I strongly believe. People who gave food equivalent to they have given life. And people who gave food, we should never do anything wrong to them and their house. I am a person who believes in all this. And I'll be very honest. To people who give me food, what I will tell them, I am telling that to all of you. Because all of you only give me food. Just listen to this too today. Put this as a essence of today's satsang and share it. Do not entertain, cherish anger, hatred, violence, powerlessness in any form, and do not entertain justifications for your anger, powerlessness, violence towards anyone, towards you or others. Make this as a Facebook status, essence of today's satsang. And do not allow white sugar in any form in your life. Take this as today's essence of satsang. Today I will do one thing. Actually, I am making this power of awakening the whole non-mechanical parts of your brain my best plan, visualization, love for you, that you should become enlightened. I am actually putting that like a energy power battery, that spiritual power battery, into that Vilva Mandala. You see, that Vilva is like a 3 eyes of Paramashiva. In that I am putting this whole thing and making it as a mandala, Trinetra Mandala. And I am going to gift it. How to send this as a gift I am working out. When you get that Vilva, put it on your third eye. When you fall asleep in the night, just put little Jnananjana and stick it. It will stick because it's a too small Vilva. I'll show you. Just in the night time, put Jnananjana on your third eye and stick this whole night, let it be there. That will work intensely on your brain. Transmit my visualization for you into your brain and make it as your visualization for you, and it will become reality in your life. Whatever I want for you, I want only enlightenment. You manifesting Paramashivatva, all good for you. I will never wish bad for you. I will only wish good for you. All that good will enter into you and become reality. And once that Trinetra has done its job of transmitting my energy into your system, it will drop off by itself. Then again next day put little Jnananjana and stick it. After it does its job, it will drop off by itself. No problem. Like how you put that pain healing stickers, when it does its job, that sticker falls off by itself. Like that. It's spiritual pain healing sticker. This Trinetra Mandala, I'll send it to you. I'm energizing. I'm done. I'm almost, it's done. The job is done. My blessings. So, today I have free gift, an ebook for all of you. Insight from an Avatar. Volume 1. This is the insights from the Avatar, provides life solutions to millions in all aspects of their lives, from health, wealth, relationships and spiritual growth. It has solutions for the problems of the inner world, outer world, and questions about life, death and consciousness. It has solutions for social issues like peace, unity, love, coexistence and ahimsa. You can download this, tinyurl.com/avatar insights. And I have a great, exciting announcement. From this year, we are going to celebrate Vijayotsavam, winning by destroying all the negative elements, negativity. The Surasamharam has happened. We won the game. The Kailasa is established. So the Vijayotsavam, from March 1st to March 10th, 10 days Brahmotsavam, Vijayotsavam. How the Asuras, Rakshasas, demons tried to attack Paramashiva and his mission, and how Paramashiva destroyed all those negativities and successfully established Kailasa. This Leela will be remembered and told to the whole world through this Vijayotsavam, Vijayotsava Brahmotsavam. From March 1st to March 10th. That will also be including the Jivan Mukti Jayanti. All the temples, Adhinam centers all over the world, let us start planning for the celebrations. And tomorrow is 25th February, Tritiya. We will be celebrating Ramakrishna Jayanti in all ashrams, especially Ramakrishna Dhyanapidam in Erode. Tiruchengodu Adhinam will continue to be called as Ramakrishna Dhyanapidam as I inaugurated. And that ashram will be completely dedicated to the Ramakrishna Sampradaya. All the books of Ramakrishna Sampradaya in all language will be collected and kept as a library in that ashram. Ramakrishna Jayanti will be celebrated. Vivekananda Jayanti, Sharada Devi Jayanti, and all the 16 sannyas disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. Actually 17. Swami Nirmalananda also will be added in that list. So all 17 direct disciples of Sri Ramakrishna, their birthday, Jayanti celebrations will be celebrated. The Ramakrishna Dhyanapidam, which I started in Tiruchengodu Adhinam in Erode, will be completely dedicated to Ramakrishna Sampradaya, and it will continue to function with that principle of Ramakrishna Sampradaya revival. So, tomorrow, the Ramakrishna Jayanti will be celebrated in all our ashrams and in Ramakrishna Dhyanapidam in Tiruchengodu Adhinam, Kailasa in Erode. My blessings. So with this, let's start the process. Sit straight, keep your Atma Linga on your Anahata Chakra, heart center, and hold with both the hands and sit straight. With the grace of Paramashiva, I will connect all of us to Paramashiva and manifest the Paramashiva's pure enlightenment in all of us. Let's start.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம் அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாமொரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாம் அவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலமெனவே ஆதி அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்கு
நடராஜா நீ எல்லையில்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா எல்லையின் கூத்தனே நடராஜா நீ எல்லையில்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா இசையிலே இசைந்து அசைவது மட்டுமா நடனம் இசைக்கா இசையிலும் இசையினை இசைக்கிற அசை உள்ள ஆட்டமும் நடனம் தாங்கும் காலத்தில் தக்க திமிகதியினில் ஆடுதல் மட்டுமா நடனம் அடிக்கிற பறையினில் இடிக்கிற இசையினில் துடிக்கிற துள்ளலும் நடனம் கூட்டன நடராஜா நீ எல்லையில்லாதவன் நடராஜா காட்டுதல் மட்டுமா நடனம் நாட்டினை விட்டவர் காட்டினை தேடையில் காட்டிடும் ஆட்டமும் நடனம் மார்கழி மாதத்தில் கானக சபையினில் ஆடுதல் மட்டுமா நடனம் ஆடியில் ஆடிடும் ஆலயம் கூடிடும் ஆனந்த ஆட்டமும் நடனம் சிகு சிகு உடையினில் விறு விறு நடையினில் அடிக்கிற கூத்தா நடனம் இங்கினி ஓசையில் பொங்கிடும் ஆசையில் வந்திடும் ஆட்டமே நடனம் எல்லையின் கூத்தனை நடராஜா நீ எல்லையில்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா எல்லையின் கூத்தனை நடராஜா நீ எல்லையில்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா எல்லையின் கூத்தனே நடராஜா நீ எல்லையில்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா
சிவா
கூத்தனே நடராஜா நீ எல்லையில்லாதவன் நடராஜா
சிவா
அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும்
சக்தி
நடராஜா
Sadashiva, Mahadeva, let me shower on every being here.
இசையின் இசையிலே
சிவா
அசைவது மட்டுமா
சிவா
நடனம்
சிவா
இசையிலும் இசையில்
சிவா
அசை உள்ள
சிவா
நடனம்
சிவா
காலத்தில் தக்க திமிகதி
சிவா
ஆடுதல் மட்டுமா
சிவா
அடிக்கிற பறையினில் இடிக்கிற இசையில்
சிவா
துள்ளலும் நடனம்
சிவா
பிள்ளையின்
ಶಿವ 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 ಶಿವ
நாயன மேலத்தில் நாட்டிய சபையில் காட்டுதல் மட்டுமான நடனம் நாட்டினை விட்டவர் காட்டினை தேட காட்டிடும் ஆட்டமும் நடனம் மார்கழி மாதத்தில் காண சபையில் ஆடுதல் மட்டுமான நடனம் ஆடியில் ஆடிடும் ஆலயம் கூடிடும் ஆனந்த ஆட்டம் நடனம் சிகு சிகு உடையில் திரு நடையில் அடிக்கிற கூத்தா நடனம் கிங்கினி ஓசையில் பொங்கிடும் ஆசையில் வந்திடும் ஆட்டமே நடனம் கூத்தனை நடராஜா நீ இல்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும்
ಶಿವ 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 ಶಿವ
நடராஜா நீ
ಶಿವ
நடராஜா
ಶಿವ
அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா
ಶಿವ
அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா
ಶಿವ
பிள்ளையின் கூத்தனே
ಶಿವ
நடராஜா நீ இல்லாதவன்
ಶಿವ
நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும்
ಶಿವ
நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும்
ಶಿವ
நடராஜா
ಶಿವ ಕಾಳಿ ಕಾಳಿ ಕಾಳಿ
இசைக்கின்ற இசை
காளி.
இசையிலே இசைந்து அசைவது
காளி.
நடனம் இசைக்காய்
காளி.
இசையினை இசைக்கிற அசைவும்
காளி.
ஆட்டமும் நடனம்
காளி.
காலத்தில் தக்க திமிகதி
காளி.
மட்டுமா நடனம்
காளி
பறையினை இடிக்கிற இசையில்
காளி.
துள்ளலும் நடனம்
காளி
கூட்டன நடராஜா நீ
காளி
இல்லாதவன் நடராஜா
காளி 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 காளி
நாயன மேலத்தில் நாட்டி
காளி
காட்டுதல் மட்டுமா நடனம்
காளி
நாட்டவர் காட்டினை தேடையில் காட்டிடும் ஆட்டம்
காளி
மார்கழி மாதத்தில் கானக சபையில் ஆடுதல் மட்டுமா நடனம் ஆடியில் ஆடிடும்
காளி
கூடிடும் ஆனந்த ஆட்டமும் நடனம்
காளி wake up to the bliss, wake up to the joy, wake up to the intoxication, wake up to the health.
நடராஜா நீ இல்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா சிவல்லையின் கூத்தனே நடராஜா நீ இல்லாதவன் நடராஜா அணுவிலே அசைந்திடும் நடராஜா நீ அனைத்திலும் ஆடிடும் நடராஜா
Shiva, 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 शिव शिव
शिव शिव
शिव
शिव शिव ब्रह्मा गोविंद
शिव
ईश्वर शिव 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 शिव
शिव
ब्रह्मा गोविंद
शिव शिव
எல்லாம் அப்பா நின்ற
शिव
உருவமில்லா ஒரு பரம்பொருளவனே
शिव
எல்லாம் அப்பா நின்ற உருவமில்லா
शिव
ஒரு பரம்பொருளவனே ஆறும் கோளும்
शिव
அவனால் செல்லும் அருகம் புல்லும் அவனால்
शिव
முளைக்கும் ஆறும் கோளும் அவனால்
शिव
செல்லும் அருகம் புல்லும் அவனால் முளைக்கும்
शिव
சிவ 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 பிரம்மா
शिव
கோவிந்த ஈஸ்வர சிவ சிவ
शिव
சிவ பிரம்மா கோவிந்த
शिव शिव
தேரும் விளக்கும் மக்கள் பெருக்கும்
शिव
தெருவெல்லாம் சுற்றி ஊர்வலம் வருமே
शिव
விளக்கும் மக்கள் பெருக்கும் தெருவெல்லாம் சுற்றி ஊர்வலம் வருமே தீரும் யாவினை திருந்தும் உலகம்
शिव
பெருமாள் அருளை முறையாய் கேளு தீரும் யாவினை திருந்தும் உலகமும் பெருமாள் அருளை முறையாய் கேளு சிவ 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 பிரம்மா கோவிந்தா ஈஸ்வர சிவ 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 பிரம்மா கோவிந்தா ஈஸ்வர பேரும் அவனே சோரும்
ஆனந்தமயி
வெறும் நிலம் அவனே சோலையும் அவனே
சிவபோதமயி
அவனே சொக்க தங்கமும் அவனே
சிவஞானமயி
செய்பவன் அவனே
சிவானந்தமயி
சோரும் அவனே நிலம் அவனே சோலையும் அவனே அவனே சொக்க தங்கமும் அவனே
लकार
அவனே நானும் அவனே பூவும் அவனே
मंत्रिणी
அவனே புகழ்வனும்
खंडिणी
அவனே பூவும் அவனே
नादबिंदुमयी
புகழ்வனும் அவனே
काली
அவனே கூறம்
मगाळी
அவனே சிவ 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 சிவ
महाकाली
பிரம்மா கோவிந்தா
मगाळी रेसा देवी महादेवा सदाशिवा महादेवा
முதிரமும் பாலும் அவனே
सदाशिवा
இலக்கணம் அவனே சீரும் சிறுத்தையும்
महादेवा
சிறு சிறு ஈரும் எறும்பும்
सदाशिवा
முதிரமும் பாலும் அவனே உருவகமுவமை இலக்கணம் அவனே
शिव
சீரும் சிறுத்தையும் உரியும் அவனே
शिव
சிறு ஈரும் எறும்பும் அவனே
शिव
அவனே உழவனும் அவனே
शिव
அவனே பயிரும் அவனே
शिव
வீரனும் அவனே சுருக்கச் சொன்ன
शिव
எல்லாம் அவனே ஏறும் அவனே உழவனும் அவனே எருதும் அவனே பயிரும்
शिव
அவனே வீரனும் அவனே
शिव
சொன்னால் எல்லாம் அவனே சுருக்க
शिव
எல்லாம் அவனே சுருக்க சொன்னால்
शिव
அவனே சிவ 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 சிவ
शिव 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 शिवा 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 देवी wake up in every being. Shiva 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 Devi wake up in every being. Shiva Devi vibrate in every being. Uttishtata Jagrata Devi शांभावी प्रत्यंगिरा उमा काली ओम नित्यानंद परमशिवोहम. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, living and radiating the state, space, powers, being, super consciousness and Sri Kailasa of Paramashiva, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.